In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn off suggested posts for you on Instagram. Some users prefer to curate their own feed rather than having Instagram suggest content for them. To turn them off, you will have to simply head into your Instagram. Tap right here on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On this page, you will have to scroll down into the section of what you see. Then select the second last option of suggested content. On this page, you will have to disable this option of suggested posts. When turned on, you will not receive any suggested posts in your Instagram feeds. Make sure to also tap on Not Interested whenever you find suggested posts on Instagram. That's how easy it is to hide suggested posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.